For this exercise, we will be creating a watercolor value scale of the three colors in our Lego still life portrait: red, yellow, and green. To get started, you'll need to create a grid. The grid needs to have 5 blocks by 3 blocks, consisting of 15 blocks total. After you have your grid drawn out, you are going to label it. At the top of the last column, you're going to write shadows, complementary colors. In this column, we're going to mix complementary colors together and see what happens. In the left column, in the first row, you're going to write red, below that, yellow, and then green. To begin your value scale, you're going to apply water into the first square. Then take a little bit of paint, drop it in, and push it around. As you move down the row, you're going to use more color and less water until you get to the fourth square, where you're going to just have the tiniest bit of water and a lot of paint. That'll make sure it's fully saturated. When you get to the last square in your row, you're going to add in that fully saturated color you just used in the square before, rinse your brush, and then grab some of its complementary color. Now the complementary color of red is green, so you're going to drop a little bit of green in that, wet on wet, and push it around and see what happens. You'll repeat this process for yellow and green. When you've completed your value scale chart, you're going to finish labeling it. Wash in the first column, L2 in the second column, L3 in the third column, details in the fourth, and shadows and complementary colors in the fifth. L2 and L3 mean layer 2, layer 3. Now let's discuss what happened in the fifth column. What happened when two complementary colors were mixed? Did they stay the same? Did they get lighter? Did they get darker? Or did something new and exciting happen?